We got one contender left. Check him out.
The winner, you ready? It's Keith Young.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes! Awesome. My recipe for the FDNY 5-alarm cook-off is jumbo shrimp a la Terry Diablo. This recipe is actually very unique. It has shrimp that has like a Francese covering, it's stuffed. It's very difficult to make, and I just wanted to change it up and make something that they wouldn't normally see.
Okay, how many I got? I got 1, 2, 3.
The guys in the firehouse love this dish so much because it's different and it's something you get in a restaurant. Appealing to the eye and something unique.
And you finished.
Hope they like it. My grandfather taught me a lot in the kitchen when I was a little kid. After I learned how to cook for my grandfather a little bit, I wanted to go to culinary school, so that's what I did. And that is the best thing you can do when you're going into a firehouse. You have some skills already, it's easier to make friends.
What's the difference between your recipe and their recipe?
Mine's really good. How about theirs?